અને પોતે ગુજરાત હાઈકોર્ટમાં સરકારી વકીલ કાર્તિક પંડ્યા તરીકે ઓળખાણ આપી ખોટું રાજ્ય સેવકનું નામ ધારણ કરી અને એમને સાહેબ ટુકડે ટુકડે 20,000 રૂપિયા ફરિયાદી પાસેથી મેળવી લીધા છે. આ લગતનું ગુજો એક જ આરોપી છે સાહેબ. અને અગાઉ એક જામનગરનો ગુનો હતો એ ડિવિઝનનો 302 એમાં પેરોલ પર જમ્પ કરીને નાસ્તા પડતા હતા એ દરમિયાન આ કામ કરેલું છે.
ખાતામાં 1,18,20,000 ની રકમ જમા થઈ. જે ખાતું હતું એ પોતે ઓપરેટ નતા કરતા. એ ખાતું એમને મિત્ર ખરા એમના કહેવાથી ફલા નામની વ્યક્તિને ખાતું ઓપરેટ કરવા સાહેબ આપ્યું. એમને એમને 10% કમિશન મળશે, 1% કમિશન. એના આધારે સાહેબ એમાં પૈસા જમા થયેલા. પૈસા રિટર્ન બી થઈ ગયેલા છે આરોપી ભાઈ ખાતામાંથી. બીજું સાહેબ આમાં જે ફરિયાદમાં જે બતાવ્યું છે કંપની ખોલી છે, મેસેજ કર્યા છે, માફ કરી છે, એમાં કોઈ અમારા અરજદારે સાહેબ કરેલું નથી. અમારા અરજદારનો રોજ એકાઉન્ટ 1,18,20,000 રિકવર થઈ ગયા છે. અમને આપી દીધેલા સાહેબ પોલીસ વાળાને.
નથી રિકવર થયા
થઈ ગયા. આરોપી શું છે રિકવર થાય? આરોપીઓ ખુદ થાય રિકવર થાય. એમની પાસે પૈસા લઈને જમા કરી દીધા. જે રકમ એની પાસે મળી હતી એમને પોતે આપી દીધી સાહેબ. એવું આરોપી એ જ રકમ પૂરેપૂરી સાહેબ 1,18,20,000 નથી રિકવર. કારણ કે એમની પાસે એકાઉન્ટ બી ફ્રીઝ થઈ ગયેલું છે. એમનું એકાઉન્ટ ફ્રીઝ કરવું છે એટલે રકમ જ હોત એમની પાસે તો બતાવી દીધું હતા. એ સિવાય બીજો અમને કોઈ રોલ છે નહીં આમાં. હા એ ખાતું ફ્રીઝ છે. દુબઈ નથી ગઈ સાહેબ, અહીંયા જ છે.
દુબઈ વહી ગયું.
ફ્લાઇટ રિસ્ક નથી અને ટ્રાયલ સાથે કોઓપરેટ કરવાની બાંયધરી આપે છે સર.
You made a submission that there is no likelihood of tampering or hampering with the
witnesses and evidence
as you are in jail.
Yes.
Now, if you were in jail,
Lordship.
how did you become present at the High Court's door? High Court's gate number 2 and 3.
I was on the payroll.
For what time you were on payroll?
I have jumped the payroll.
So
I have jumped the payroll.
So you jumped the payroll.
Lordship.
When did you jump the payroll?
Lordship, I don't have an exact date. Lordship.
We don't know exactly. You are already an accused in an offense of murder.
Lordship.
The court granted you bail. You jumped the bail and then you had started polluting the stream of justice.
Lordship, that's the allegation.
By contacting the people who are before the High Court for their bail application.
Please,
By projecting yourself or impersonating yourself as an
Assistant Public Prosecutor.
APP.
Lordship.
And you will manage the bail application. So do you think you deserve this?
The allegation is serious in nature.
These are the allegations.
I'm following.
How can you impersonate yourself as an APP? And under the names of the court, you will make the people understand that you will get bail. And the complainant is not the only one person.
There is 3 victims.
You have done it with 3 other people.
That's 3 victims.
And you want the court to exercise your discretion in your favor.
Yeah.
You want to earn the money in the name of other people.
I follow lordship. Allegations are serious in nature.
These are very much serious.
Very much serious. Okay.
You are already undergoing, you were granted temporary bail. Court
Right.
exercised discretion in your favor of granting you parole. And you started doing this type of illegal business. You contact the people. This is nothing but you are overreaching the process of the court. And you are taking undue benefit illegally of those persons whose some relatives are in jail. Not only that, you are also maligning the institute.
I follow lordship.
After jumping the bail, you reach to the High Court and start doing this type of illegal business. How can you? What discretion should be exercised against you?
I can request on behalf of my client only. This is my duty.
And you are relying upon Andres Kumar. You not only misuse your liberty, you misuse the entire judicial process. And have attempted to, not only attempted, you succeeded in getting the benefit, illegal benefit of the helplessness of those people.
Lordship, I understand the seriousness of the offense. That's why I have not argued on the civil rights of my client, lordship. I'm not. I restrained myself to argue on the civil rights.
It is so much of seriousness. It is very much serious.
I follow lordship. I understand.
It's as if you are an agent. Yes, I can do anything.
I understand, lordship.
And you have impersonated 3 persons. What is this going on? This is totally intolerable. In the name of some people, you want to get illegally. And you want, your act is nothing but you have attempted to malign the institute.
The serious allegation are serious in nature. I understand. I follow lordship. Completely follow.
Yes, what you want to say, Nitin? And then you say you will not temper or hamper with the witnesses. You have started tampering with the very institute. It granted you the temporary bail.
Lordship.
That you also jumped. And then also you say, there is no question. You are already absconding since more than 1 year.
Lordship, I have to follow my duty. Lordship.
And during that jump period, you have started doing this
As an
illegal
advocate,
work.
I have to follow my obligation, lordship.
You have to,
Follow my obligation, lordship, towards my client.
your obligation are otherwise also.
Lordship. I'm
Not
the
only-
officer of God. I understand, lordship. That is why I've restrained myself to argue on the civil rights of the client.
No one can be permitted. That should be a message that no one can be permitted to malign at least the judicial process for their illegal gain. And taking the undue benefit of the helplessness of those people who are waiting for bail. Let there be a message that matters are decided on its own merits. And no influence can ever touch this institute. Not only 3 people, we don't know, this has come on investigation, but during this 1 year, you would have done many things. After jumping the bail. I'm not inclined.